The world of technology is moving at a pace that often feels impossible to track, but every so often, a singular piece of hardware arrives that shifts the entire landscape. We are standing on the precipice of what industry insiders are calling the most significant platform reset in Apple's history. For years, we have analyzed the iterative updates, the minor chip bumps, and the predictable refinements of the MacBook Pro series. But today, the conversation is entirely different. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We are no longer talking about a simple refresh. We are looking at the potential 20th anniversary celebration of the MacBook Pro lineup, a moment that Apple seems prepared to mark with a device that defies everything we thought we knew about their design philosophy. The rumors surrounding the upcoming MacBook Pro M6 are not merely incremental. They are structural, functional, and frankly, revolutionary. If the latest supply chain whispers and analyst reports hold any weight, we are looking at the long-awaited introduction of an OLED touchscreen display, a feature that Apple has famously resisted for nearly 2 decades. The move to tandem OLED technology, the same architecture that redefined the iPad Pro experience, is expected to bring unprecedented contrast ratios, deeper blacks, and a level of HDR brightness that makes current mini LED panels look like relics of the past. But it isn't just about the display. It is about the fundamental way you will interact with your workspace. By integrating on-cell touch technology, Apple isn't just giving you a screen you can poke. They are reportedly developing a macOS interface that adapts to your touch, blurring the line between a traditional laptop and the high-end tablet workflow. Let's talk about the hardware under the hood, because the M6 series represents more than just raw power. Built on an advanced 2nm architecture, the M6 Pro and M6 Max chips are being engineered with a specific, aggressive focus on AI performance and neural processing. We are seeing early indications that Apple is moving toward a more sophisticated integration of CPU, GPU, and DRAM, creating a unified architecture that isn't just faster on paper. It's optimized for the massive machine learning models that are becoming the backbone of professional creative and technical workflows. If you're a video editor, a 3D artist, or a software engineer, this isn't just another laptop. It's a dedicated engine for local AI processing that could finally render cloud-dependent workflows obsolete for a large portion of your daily tasks. But here is where the ultra speculation becomes the most compelling narrative. For months, there has been persistent chatter about a new tier, the MacBook Ultra. While the base-level MacBook Pro models may retain a more traditional aesthetic to keep costs and thermal profiles in check, the Ultra is rumored to be the canvas for Apple's boldest ideas. Think about a chassis so thin it forces a complete re-engineering of the internal cooling systems. We're hearing reports of vapor chamber cooling solutions being implemented across the entire board, which would finally allow these high-performance chips to maintain peak clock speeds without the thermal throttling that has plagued even the most powerful laptops in the past. When you combine a vapor chamber with the efficiency of the 2nm M6 silicon, you get sustained performance that hasn't been seen in a mobile form factor, potentially rivaling even the most dedicated workstations. The design overhaul doesn't stop at the internal components. One of the most divisive elements of the modern MacBook Pro, the notch, is reportedly on the chopping block. Replacing it with a punch-hole camera system or a sophisticated context-aware dynamic island-style interface would be a major visual shift. Imagine a menu bar that isn't just a static strip, but an interactive, expanding control center that reacts to your background tasks, system notifications, and application states. This level of software-hardware synergy is exactly what Apple does best, and bringing the interactive intelligence of the iPhone to the Mac's top-tier professional line would create a level of ecosystem consistency that the industry has been waiting for. Beyond the screen and the chip, there is the long-awaited question of connectivity. We are seeing leaks regarding the inclusion of built-in cellular connectivity, likely leveraging Apple's own C2 modems. For those of you who work in the field, travel constantly, or simply value the freedom of a truly untethered experience, this would be a game changer. No more relying on iPhone hotspots or jittery public Wi-Fi. Having a native 5G-capable MacBook Pro M6 would mean your office is wherever you happen to be, with a seamless, persistent connection that is managed directly by the silicon inside your machine. It is also important to discuss the potential for a price shift. Integrating tandem OLED, 2nm chips, vapor chamber cooling, and cellular modems into a thinner, redesigned chassis is expensive. Industry analysts suggest that the MacBook Pro M6, especially if it lands under the Ultra moniker, could push the ceiling of Apple's laptop pricing to new heights. But for those who demand the absolute best, the value proposition is being reshaped by the sheer utility of these features. You are not just paying for a laptop. You are paying for an integrated workstation that combines the power of a desktop, the mobility of an iPad, and the intelligence of a dedicated AI processing rig. There is, of course, the timeline to consider. While the buzz is currently centered on a late 2026 launch, the complexity of these supply chain requirements has led some experts to warn of a potential slip into early 2027. We're talking about custom OLED panels, new modem chips, and a complete retooling of the manufacturing process for a new chassis design. Apple is not known for rushing these transitions, and the 20th anniversary of the MacBook Pro is a milestone they will not want to mark with a compromised launch. Whether it arrives in the fall of 2026 or the early spring of 2027, the goal is clear: to set the standard for the next decade of professional computing. When you look at the competition, specifically the direction Microsoft and others are taking with ARM-based chips and high-end touchscreen designs, it becomes clear why Apple is making these moves. They're not interested in just keeping up. They're interested in defining the category all over again. By bringing touchscreen support to the Mac, Apple isn't admitting that they were wrong about the keyboard and trackpad. They're acknowledging that the future of computing is multimodal. The best tool is the one that lets you work the way you want, whether that is through precise trackpad gestures, keyboard shortcuts, or direct manipulation on a high-fidelity OLED surface. As we look deeper into these leaks, it is also worth considering how this will impact your existing setup. If you're currently using an M-series MacBook Pro, the jump to the M6 is going to be significant, not just in terms of raw benchmark scores, but in terms of the feature set available to you. The shift toward AI-optimized hardware means that software developers and creative professionals will be able to run local models and complex simulations that currently require massive desktop rigs. This is a democratization of power, allowing you to carry a literal supercomputer in your backpack. There is also the matter of the operating system. With the M6 hardware expected to support these advanced features, it is a near certainty that the next version of macOS will be built around them. We can expect deeper integration of these new interface elements, better support for touch-based workflows, and perhaps even new ways to bridge the gap between iOS and macOS apps. The goal is to make the experience feel cohesive, intuitive, and most importantly, productive. You won't have to choose between a tablet experience and a laptop experience. You will have the best of both. Let's address the elephant in the room: the Ultra branding. The move to a higher tier product would allow Apple to maintain the base MacBook Pro line for those who don't need the OLED touchscreen or the extra power, while providing a clear path for pros who need the ultimate machine. This tiered approach has worked wonders for the iPhone and iPad, and it is a logical next step for the Mac. It gives Apple the flexibility to innovate at the high end without forcing a price hike on the entire user base. The cooling system is perhaps the most underrated aspect of these rumors. For years, we have seen laptops that look sleek but sacrifice performance because they cannot shed heat fast enough. A vapor chamber design, especially one that covers the entire motherboard, is a statement of intent. It tells the user that this machine is designed to be pushed to its limits for hours on end, without the fear of thermal throttling or system slowdowns. This is the definition of a professional machine. When you are deep into a render or compiling a massive codebase, the last thing you want is for your laptop to decide it needs to take a break because it is getting too hot. The MacBook Pro M6 with vapor chamber cooling will be the first laptop that truly keeps up with the professional user. We also have to consider the environment in which this machine will operate. With the rise of on-device AI, privacy is becoming the most important commodity in tech. Apple's focus on the neural engine and local processing, supported by the M6 chip, is the strongest argument for why you should stick with a Mac. While other laptops might rely on cloud-based AI, the MacBook Pro M6 is designed to do the heavy lifting locally. This means your data stays on your machine, your projects remain yours, and your workflow remains secure. The integration of cellular connectivity is the final piece of the puzzle. By using their own C2 modems, Apple is taking control of the entire stack. They're not just buying off-the-shelf components. They're designing the chips that power the communication, the display, the processing, and the security. This level of vertical integration is why Apple's silicon has been so successful, and it is the reason why the M6 lineup will likely be in a league of its own. As we continue to track these rumors, it is vital to remember that these are not just features. They are responses to the changing needs of the modern professional. We are moving toward a world where work is fluid, where projects are global, and where the line between content consumption and content creation is thinner than ever. The MacBook Pro M6 is positioned to be the primary hub for this new reality. It will be the machine that allows you to shoot, edit, design, and deploy, all from a single device that is as powerful as it is portable. In the coming months, we expect to see more concrete evidence, photos of the new chassis, leaked benchmarks from the M6 silicon, and perhaps even a look at the new display panel technology. But even now, the picture is clear. Apple is not just updating the MacBook Pro, they are reimagining it. They're taking the best elements of the iPad and combining them with the raw power of the Mac, all wrapped in a design that is thinner, cooler, and more capable than anything we have seen before. For the creative professional, this is an exciting time. We are reaching a point where the hardware is no longer the bottleneck. When you have a machine that can handle massive AI workloads, render 8K video in real time, and stay connected no matter where you are, your only limitation becomes your own imagination. And that is what this is really about. It's about giving you the tools to create, to innovate, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. Whether you're a developer, a designer, a filmmaker, or a tech enthusiast, the MacBook Pro M6 is the device to watch. It represents the culmination of years of R&D, a deep understanding of user needs, and a commitment to pushing the envelope. We are entering a new era of personal computing, and the M6 series is set to lead the way. As we await the official unveiling, keep your eyes on the supply chain reports and the early benchmarks. These are the indicators that tell us the story before the keynote even happens. And remember, in a world of tech, the biggest leaps are often the ones that feel the most inevitable in retrospect. The transition to OLED, the move to 2nm silicon, the redesign of the cooling system. These are all pieces of a larger strategy to maintain dominance in the pro laptop market. If you're currently deciding whether to upgrade your gear, consider what the next year brings. The tech you buy today should not just be enough for now. It should be ready for the future. And based on everything we know about the MacBook Pro M6, the future is looking incredibly bright. From the tandem OLED display to the neural-optimized M6 chip, everything about this machine is designed to ensure it stays relevant for years to come. The shift toward a more interactive, touch-friendly macOS will also be a major talking point. It will be fascinating to see how developers adapt their applications to take advantage of this new input method. We could see a new wave of creative software that is specifically designed for this hybrid interface, opening up new possibilities for creative expression. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We are still in the rumor phase, and as much as we hope these features become reality, there is always the possibility of delays or design pivots. That is the nature of the beast. But even if only half of these rumors turn out to be true, the MacBook Pro M6 will still be a massive step forward. Think about the impact on the industry. When Apple moves, the rest of the world follows. If Apple successfully integrates a high-quality touchscreen, OLED display, and advanced cooling into a professional-grade laptop, you can bet that the entire market will shift to match it. That is the power of the Apple ecosystem. They set the bar, and the rest of the industry has to scramble to catch up. As we wrap up this look at the MacBook Pro M6, consider what you want from your next machine. Are you looking for raw performance? Portability? The latest in display technology? The M6 series is shaping up to be the answer to all of these questions. It is a machine that refuses to compromise, designed for those who refuse to settle. The wait is almost over. We are months away from seeing what Apple has truly been cooking up in their labs. But until then, we have the leaks, the analysis, and the growing excitement of a community that knows something special is on the horizon. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of the conversation. The next few months are going to be defined by more rumors, more leaks, and more speculation as we get closer to the big reveal. But for now, the takeaway is simple. The MacBook Pro M6 is going to change the game. It is a bold, ambitious, and much-needed update that shows Apple is still at the top of its game. Whether it's the OLED screen, the M6 Silicon, or the long-rumored Ultra branding, this device has the potential to be a defining moment for the entire PC industry. So, as you prepare for what's coming, ask yourself, how will this machine change your workflow? How will it enable you to create better, faster, and more efficiently? The answers to those questions will be different for everyone, but one thing is certain. The future of the MacBook Pro is looking more powerful than ever. The path ahead is clear. We are seeing a convergence of technologies that were previously thought to be separate. Mobile connectivity, tablet interactivity, and workstation-grade processing power, all inside a laptop. This is the synthesis of everything Apple has learned over the last 20 years, distilled into one machine. We will continue to track these developments, bringing you the latest news, analysis, and insights as they emerge. The journey to the release of the M6 MacBook Pro is going to be filled with twists and turns, but one thing is certain. It will be a launch worth waiting for. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the future of the MacBook Pro. We've covered a lot today, from the OLED touchscreen to the 2nm architecture, and it's clear that we are in for a significant refresh. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official announcement. The MacBook Pro M6 is more than just a laptop. It's a statement. It's a vision for the future of computing. And it's a promise that the best is yet to come. Whether you're a creative, a professional, or just a tech lover, the M6 is set to redefine your expectations. We are truly living in the golden age of silicon, and the M6 is poised to be its crown jewel. We are looking forward to every leak, every rumor, and every shred of information that brings us closer to the actual product. This is the excitement of tech, the thrill of the unknown, and the anticipation of something that will truly change how we work and live. Keep the comments coming. Let us know what you think about these features, and let us know what you want to see in the M6. Are you on board with the touchscreen? Are you excited about the OLED display? What about the potential for an Ultra model? We want to hear from you. The road to the 2026 MacBook Pro launch will be long, but it will be worth it. We are committed to bringing you the most accurate, in-depth, and insightful coverage of every development as it happens. From the first rumors to the final review, we will be here. The M6 isn't just an update. It is a declaration. It is Apple telling the world that they are not just leaders in hardware. They are leaders in the experience. They are telling us that they understand the future, and they are building the machines that will take us there. Stay with us, keep the momentum going, and we will see you in the next one. The future is closer than you think, and it is going to be incredibly exciting. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep looking forward to the next big thing in tech. We'll be right here, waiting for the next leak.